Hey guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is air fryer pork chops. What you'll need is we're using about 7 pork chops today, and then we're also going to use olive oil, black pepper, seasoned salt, garlic salt, and onion powder. Alright, so we got our pork chops in a bowl. Start off by adding our olive oil, really good oil to make these pork chops with. And then we're going to add onion powder. I always like to use that first as a base. And then here's our seasoned salt. I'm just going to season one side of these pork chops to start with. And then here's our garlic salt. And then lastly, we'll add our black pepper. And then you just toss these around. You can also just lay these out like on a cookie sheet or something like that, and season one side and then season the other. And then add the olive oil. This is just how I like to do it, just to make it really quick. And then, like I told you about before, I can be a little heavy-handed with the seasoning, so it's easier for me to just season one side and then go ahead and mix the seasoning around. We'll just continue to mix. And what I ended up doing was adding actually more seasoning and more olive oil. If you can't smell the seasoning, you don't have enough on your meat. So I just went ahead and added a little bit more. I'll show y'all that in just a minute. Alright, because I already see here, it's not enough seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more of everything. And you don't want to use too much olive oil, but it's kind of hard to overdo it because in the air fryer, all of the oil, well, most of it just goes to the bottom of the air fryer anyway, so you don't have to worry about that. So I just added like a little bit here, and then once again, just mix it all together. Good to go. As y'all can see here, they're really seasoned now. I'm just going to let those sit while I preheat the air fryer. Just go ahead and preheat it like so, 360 degrees. It takes about 5 minutes. And then it's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and place 2 pork chops in the air fryer. Lay them flat. I don't want to overcrowd it. And then go ahead and preheat go ahead and set my air fryer to 30 minutes. And then at the 15-minute mark, we're going to go ahead and flip these over. Over here now. See, they're starting to brown. Go ahead and turn them over. And cook them for another 15 minutes or until they're brown to your liking. Alright, we're going to place it right back in there. And you can see it's cooking on the other side, but it's just not brown like it should be. Alright, we're about to the 30-minute mark, and look at these pork chops. Now these are a little bit smaller than pork chops I bought before, but y'all, they were really good and tasty and crispy and everything else. But that's really all that you all do. And y'all, of course, there's nothing like regular fried pork chops, but I really enjoy making these pork chops in the air fryer. I don't know, they're just crispy and they're flavorful, and I don't have all that cleanup or all the oil on the stove, and they're just, dare I say it, they're just as good. Please, before you leave, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll definitely catch you next time. I'll give y'all a little close-up before we get out of here.